Good evening, friends. Welcome to the online class. Today we have the resource person, and he will take your MHI uh, based.
Jyoti?
Jyoti, are you listening?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Thank you very much for your participation. Please inform your friends to join in a massive way so that it will be very fruitful and very useful for all of you, because
Sir,
many
I have,
students.
sir, I have already written the message in the WhatsApp group, and
Okay.
I hope they'll be whenever they see they'll be joining.
Okay, thank you very much for your active participation and
Thank you,
your
sir.
encouragement.
Katya,
So
Eastern.
now we have the new resource person, Dr. Manas. He will take the your online class, and please cooperate with him.
Sure, sir.
So that it will be very interactive, and let's see after this we'll talk about MHI 8, as you are interested, and most of the students they have requested to conduct the MHI 8 class. So definitely I will find out in what way it can be. Now, uh, welcome to our resource persons, Dr. Manas. Please to your online class. If you are on online, please you are welcome, and you now it is hand over to you to continue the online class. Dr. Manas, please.
हाँ वही सब
Dr.
ठीक है तो बात करने के लिए
Dr. Manas, are you listening? Dr. Manas, are you listening? Hello.
तो देखिएगा पालू
Manas, sir, your that is
Please,
muted,
please mute
unmute it.
your speaker. Dr. Manas, please unmute your speaker. Yes. Please unmute your yes. You are
Yes.
now audible.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you are
Thank you
audible.
very
You
much.
are welcome. Please,
Okay,
please
sir.
continue the class.
Okay. So, good evening, friends. I am Dr. Manas Kumar Das, lecturer in history in Dinakrishna College, Jaleshwar, Baleshwar. So, before going to the topic, before going to your subject, let me have a brief introduction with you. So, it will be a brief interaction between you and me. It will just 5 to 10 minutes maximum, 5 minutes maximum. So I want to know you people also. So who is Jyoti Chawla? Uh, just introduce yourself, your
Good
name
evening,
and
sir.
yeah.
Sir, I'm Jyoti Chawla, and I'm from Rourkela, with
Okay.
center regional center. Oh, sorry, center over here at Government College.
Okay. Then Sadhanjali Barik.
Sir, I'm Shraddhanjali Barik. I am also from Rourkela and my regional center is Rourkela Government College.
Okay. Then Sanju Naik. Miss Sanju Naik, are you listening? No. Miss Sarmila Behra. Smriti Rekha.
Sir, I am Sarmila Behra from Barampur, Kalikot Autonomous College.
Then Miss Smriti Rekha Sahu.
Sir, I am Shruti Rekha Sahu, Bhadrak Autonomous College.
Okay. Then Susri Sangeeta Sahu.
Sir, I am Sustri Sangeeta Sahu from Bhadrak Study Center, Bhadrak Autonomous College.
So thank you all. So before going to the topic, let me tell you that whether you want that I should teach you in English only or it should be bilingual, both in English and Odia.
Sir, both in English and Odia.
Both and
English and
Odia.
Odia. Okay, thank you. So we'll start with that.
Sir, but I'm an Odia student, so I'm not comfortable with Odia. So if you could go with, I'm okay with bilingual language, but a little Odia and more of English.
Yes, I'll do that. I'll do that. Don't mind.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, okay. So your topic is your MHI 10 is an urbanization in India. So in your syllabus, that is in block 1, you do have introduction to urban history. Then what is urban history? Approaches to the study of ancient cities. Then it is in unit 2. Then in unit 3, you do have approaches to the study of medieval urbanization. And in unit 4, you do have themes on modern cities. So before going to the course, let us know something about urbanization. So can I I'll be on audio mode, not in video mode, because it will take much data. So we'll talk to each other through audio mode. Huh? Okay. Anyway, so today we people are living in some of are living in villages and some of are living in urban areas or cities. So the maximum of us want to be in the cities. Yes or no? आमे माने प्रत्येक किछि लोक गाँव रे रहिछन्ति, किछि लोक शहर रे रहउछन्ति, किंतु आम समस्तंकर इच्छा जो माने पाठ साठ पढुछन्, those who are studying, those who are educated, maximum of them want to be in the cities. Yes or no? Yes. So that
Yes, sir.
sorry, hello. So we want so in the ancient days also people were living in rural areas, but in due course of time what happened, urban centers developed and people started living in that some urban centers. So we'll discuss one by one unit and how the people in urban areas lived in due course of time. So अनेक समय कौन होता ना ग्रामांचल रू जो लोक माने आसिकी सहर रहिले से एटा गोटे बड़ प्रक्रिया थिला. प्रथमे सहर किछि नथिला. So in the beginning there was no city or urban centers, but when the mindset of people became developed, then people wanted to live in the cities, and it developed with the development of agriculture. Particularly when the surplus of food, there was surplus of food, then it needed a market. The surplus of food needed a market, and the marketplace in course of time became centers of trade and commerce. And these centers of trade and commerce developed into the cities or urban centers. So when we use the term urban in the context of a society, it should not be taken to mean that all people in the society would be living in the cities, towns or other similar settlements. So जेतेबेले आमे कहउछन्ते urban center कथा गोटे सोसाइटी रे ता अर्थ न जे सब लोक शहर रे रहबा कथा चिंता करिवे. एबे मध्य आम समस्त मेंटालिटी कोन शहर रहया पई अछि कि किछि लोक गाँव रे रहबा इच्छा करछन्ती, तेणु गाँव रे रोचंती तेणु किंतु मैक्सिमम कर सहर रे रहइबा को बेसी इच्छा मैक्सिमम पीपल वांट टू बी इन द सिटीज आज बिकॉज देयर इज मच फैसिलिटीज सो आम भीतर हमर कोन रुचि ना अनेक फैसिलिटीज रुचि सहर रे जोटा कि हमें एठी पाई पारना कोटी गाँव रे पाई पारना द फैसिलिटीज वी आर नॉट गेटिंग इन द villages medical facilities and marketing and all those things so we are getting these kind of facilities in urban centers in towns in cities but not in rural areas of course nowadays there is things are getting changed now villages are becoming more means it looks like urban centers so anyway एबे तो गाँव गंडारे भी माने सब शहर बाजार भलिया सब दुकान बाजार आला है ना नहीं anyway so in ancient days as because we are discussing on ancient period so in ancient days there were certain terms which indicates that there were urban centers or cities so the terms like pura nagara महानगर these refers to towns and cities जिमते आज मध्ये तुम देखियो हमर जो रही भुवनेश्वर गोटे महानगर निगम ता कहउछन कटक को हमर सीएमसी रहला कटक रहला सब जति के सब राउरकेला रहला सब गोटे गोटे महानगर हे सारी सो एगुडा को जो नगर टर्म तार बड़ फॉर्म ता होची महानगर so विभिन्न प्रकार शहर जते बड़ फॉर्म आसीबा बेसी when people more and more people started living there then we call it as from towns and cities to nagara mahanagara so etc etc there are also some rural settlements like gramo palli etc so जेते आमे गाँ कथा कहउचंती पल्ली कथा कहउचंती तो सेटा गोटे हमको जाना पड़ुची गोटे रूरल बेस अछि तार कथा किंतु जेते आ किबा जेते आमे बण कथा कहउचंती जंगल कथा कहउचंती व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन अतबी अरण्य जंगल so these terms indicates that the forest areas in medieval times also there were certain terms existed like sahar for city and bandar for port शहर कहते आम सिटी पाई बंदर थिला पोर्ट पाई एवं ए जो जिनस these terms shows that the existence of either of means rural it shows how a rural area urban area or other means it is jungle so these terms clearly mentions that then urbanization actually started all over the world around 5000 years back 5000 वर्ष पूर्वरु आरंभ होइतिला ए अर्बन सेंटर्स तमु जा कहउतली सो इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट रे मध्ये सो in Misr Egypt so in these areas and in case of India we do have Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization so Harappa सभ्यता को कि हमर मिस्र सभ्यता को कि इजिप्ट सभ्यता को सब सभ्यता कोन थिला ना 5000 वर्ष पूर्व ए सब शहर गड़ी उठितिला सो आगे तुमको कहउतली जे आमे जेते बेले एग्रीकल्चर डेवलपमेंट हैला ता परे जाई सब डेवलपमेंट है लोक सरप्लस जिनसटा कोड बिक्री कले कोड मार्केट रे आगे बिक्री कले मार्केट रे कोन हैला ना परवर्ती यूरोप रे जिमती डेवलपमेंट है हमर मध्ये सेही टाइप रहइबो सेही टाइप रे डेवलपमेंट मध्ये है ठीक अछि सो कथा होची जे जेते बेले यूरोप रे जो हम इंडिया मध्ये सब आडे जो सरप्लस फूड जेते हैला ताकु ने गोटे मार्केट प्लेस रे बिक्री करा गोटे मार्केट लोक खोजिले मोर अधिक हला अधिक जिनसटा कोन करिया हमको फोपाड़ देबा कि कैन वी थ्रो अवे द सरप्लस फूड और सरप्लस goods that we have no not at all we will want to sell it somewhere so that we can purchase any other thing. Although barter system was existed in the initially, barter system was existed. Barter system, do you know, means giving and taking. If I will give one cow, you will give me two goats. So something like that. So ଏଇଭଳିଆ ହଉଥିଲା ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ କିଏ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ଗାଈ ଦଉଥିଲା ସେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦିଟା ଛେଳି ଦଉଥିଲା କି ଗୋଟେ କିଏ 10,000 ଧାନ ଦେଲା some portion of rice someone gave and someone also in return or in lieu of that another person gave some pulses. So in that way the system was existed, but in due course of time what happened, the money system also, money transaction developed. ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଦ୍ରାର ମଧ୍ୟ ବାହାରିଲା ମୁଦ୍ରାଟା ଡେଭଲପ କଲା ଟ୍ରେଡ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ କମର୍ସ. ସୋ ଟ୍ରେଡ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ କମର୍ସ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ଆସିଗଲା ତାଫଳରେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା ନା ଅଧିକରୁ ଅଧିକ ବାଣିଜ୍ୟ ବ୍ୟବସାୟ ହେଲା. ବାଣିଜ୍ୟ ବ୍ୟବସାୟ ସହରରେ ଏବଂ ଛୋଟିଆ ଜାଗା ଆଉ ଛୋଟ ମାର୍କେଟ ତା ପାଇଁ କାମ ଦେଲା ନାହିଁ. ସୋ the small markets could not come into effect, but rather the people looked for big cities. Okay, so anyway, urbanization in the Indus Valley civilization, particularly Indus Valley civilization is also known as the Bronze Age civilization. ताको ताम्र युग ताको मध्य कुहायाछि, which occurred in the 3rd millennium BC, and after that the Ganga Valley from the middle of the 1st millennium. तापर आसिथिला Ganga Valley civilization. It was also a kind of urbanization, urbanized center. So the rise and fall of urban centers does not necessarily imply disappearance the other forms of human settlements. So आमे जेतले कहउछंती गोटे urban center development हेछि, urban center development अर्थ नुहे जे rural center टा पूरा गला पूरा नष्ट हो गेला, गां नष्ट हो जायछि, केवल सब पळे आछन शहर. So rural settlements, pastoral terrains and forest cultures also existed during that period. Anyway, so the existence of urban settlements along with the settlements which were different means discussion of what is urban in relation to the non-urban. Non-urban कोटा, urban कोटा. ता भीतर हमको difference टा जानिया को पड़े. So you have to know that. So in the prehistoric age, when there was no city or town, people were living in jungles or particularly we can say that was the rural area. But when the cities developed, people started living there. A city in fact represented the convergence of a variety of features. केतरा features को नहीं केतरा वैशिष्ट्य को नहीं होछि गोटे सिटी कोन होछि ना इट द फीचर्स आर हाई डेंसिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन जोट अधिक लोक रहउछन ताकू हमें कहउछंती गोटे सिटी. गार कोन एते लोक रहउछन जति शहर रहउछन ना शहर अल्प जगह बेसी लोक रहउछन, implying comparative scarcity of land for agriculture and other pursuits. So एठी शहर रे कोन रहउछि ना एठी scarcity of land रहउछि, एठी जमी दाम जते गां रे दाम सते नुहे, गां रे जमीर दाम कम अछि हना नहीं. सो आगुर रहउछि डिफरेंशिएशन इन द ऑक्युपेशन ऑफ द पॉपुलेशंस. गां रे लोक मानकर कोन कर्तव्य काम रहउछि ना केवल चाषबास रहउछि. एठी शहर रे चाकरी करूछंती के एठी मैक्सिमम पीपल लोकंकर काम कोन ना वाणिज्य व्यवसाय, चाकरी बाकरी किंबा राजनीति लोकंकर बाय इट्स ए सेंटर ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स एंड नथिंग एल्स. सो एई सब जिंस शहर रे होछि किंतु गां रे सेति नै, गां रे केवल लोकंकर काम दाम एबे अवश्य पंचायत राज सिस्टम रे पॉलिटिक्स मध्ये अछि किंतु बट जे मूल जिंसटा का गां इज ए गां होछि गोटे प्रोडक्टिव यूनिट नहीं कि गां रे हमर चाषबास होछि, सेही चाष जिंस आसी कि कोड बिक्री होछि ना हम शहर रे बिक्री होछि, आमे एठी खाली खाउछनी पिउछनी शहर रे. ठीक अछि. सो एईटा गोटे कमर्शियल सेंटर भाबरे बेसिकली परिचित. गां जिनस आसीबो शहर रे बिक्री हबो, एठी केवल शासक वर्ग रहिबे, एठी वाणिज्य करूथबा लोक रहिबे राजनैतिक लोक रहिबे किंबा जो मानकर ऑफिशियल्स जो माने काम करथुए से लोक रहिबे ठीक अछि so it is necessary to remember that in the societies or culture where urban centers were present that there also existed heterogeneity and inequality urban center re inequality rahibo because there will be poor and rich in comparison to the rural areas rural area eti gote lok je basti re rohch he is poor but those who are living in bungalows and beautiful buildings so they are naturally they are rich but in most of the cases in villages what happens uh, there is not much difference so basic difference ta gaar rahibo nai sahar jeti ki difference ta rahibo gaar re ebe dhani ଆଉ ଗରିବର difference ଟା ସହରରେ ଅଧିକ ରହିବ so the presence of different social groups in urban centers their occupational variety their residential quarters their relative status and natural attitudes are sometimes vividly portrayed in some times so kete kohanti madhya am sabu je saharare ruhe atana naturally tar behavior ta madhya change he jayta hana nahi so se karan in those persons who are living in urban centers they think that they are something greater than the rural people so ସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକ ଯେମାନେ ଗାଁରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କଟା ବି ବଡ଼ ବହୁତ ଧନୀ ବହୁତ ପାଠଶାଠ ପଢିଛନ୍ତି ବଡ଼ ଚାକିରି କରିଛନ୍ତି so this kind of so the proudness occurs in the minds of the people of the urban centers so this is the difference so it is universally recognized that the cities were points of convergence of different ethnic groups different communities and their cultures ସହରରେ କ'ଣ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷର ଖିଚଡି so it's a mixture of different cultures ବହୁତ କଲଚର ଏଥିରେ ଲୋକ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ନାଇଁ so ଏଠି ଯେମିତି ଆମର ଗୋଟେ take for example Bhubaneswar take for example Raurkela so people from different walks of life different states different cultures different races are living in different cities so বিভিন্ন ବର୍ଗର ଲୋକ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଧରଣର ଲୋକ ଏଠି ଆସିକି ବିଭିନ୍ନ ସଂସ୍କୃତିର ଲୋକ ଆସିକି ଏଠି ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ଠିକ ଅଛି so urbanization if you want to know about the urbanization or how urbanization started so this topic this paper will help you to know about a lot so this course begins with an explanation of the idea of an urban center in a historical context in block 1 or in block 1 of your paper of this paper what parameters helps us in identifying the urban center को प्रकार पैरामीटर हमको यूज करिया पड़छ गोटे अर्बन सेंटर चूज करिया पय गोटे बाछिया पय को प्रकार लोक रहउथले सो इन व्हाट वेज डिड इट डिफर फ्रॉम द रूरल सेटलमेंट्स सो रूरल सेटलमेंट थारु किमती एटा डिफरेंट what led to the emergence of an urban center किमती गोटे urban center माने emerge हवा पय बा उठिया पय बा क्रिएट हवा पय किमती एटा सहायता करूथला so how going to historiography of the cities over different periods of time forms the core of our inquiry so आ भीतर किताब पढ़िया को पढ़ियो हमको बुझिया को पढ़ियो किमिति एटा डेवलपमेंट कला एवं मॉडर्न कॉलोनियल सिटी जो हैला परवर्ती पर्याय रे जेते बेले एंशिएंट टू मिडाइवल पर जो कॉलोनियल पीरियड आसिला इन मॉडर्न पीरियड सो हाउ देयर इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एंशिएंट pre-colonial and colonial period so we will discuss also on that so then in block 2 there is the focus of past cities of the subcontinent how cities developed means what were the past cities particularly we'll discuss about the Indus Valley cities as it is called as the first city prior to this for your kind information prior to the excavation of Indus Valley civilization we Indians were considered by the Europeans as a barbaric nation so as because that they told that we had no culture prior to the Aryan culture Anyway, so Vedic culture. So, so the excavation in 1921-22 led to the the excavation of 1991, so 1921-22 changed the mindset of the Europeans that India had a great civilization like the Indus Valley civilization or Harappa civilization. So we'll discuss. Anyway, so question might be coming to your mind, sir, what is Indus Valley civilization and what is Harappan civilization? Yes or no? तम मुंड को क्वेश्चन भी आसुथिबो जे इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन दा कोन हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन दा कोन हन नै रे yes or no
Yes,
So
sir.
both are same.
yes so both are same then what is the how will you explain Indus Valley civilization and Harappan civilization tell me who can tell
So modern historians, they call Indus Valley civilization as Harappan civilization because all the archaeological the excavations they had founded in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro in nearly 1800 something and 1900 something, when Britishers they wanted some excavations were done. So therefore they call it as Harappan civilization, whereas as it was established near river Indus or the tributaries of river Indus, therefore it is called as Indus Valley civilization.
then anyone else आप के कहबो no so thank you for your answer at least so actually let me tell you that Harappa was the first site to be excavated in 1921-22 and the materials we got from Harappa we also got it from the other parts of Indus Valley civilization and it is similar in nature so that is why the Indus Valley civilization is also named after Harappan civilization. Got it? बुझिए लग रहे? Yes or no? Jyoti, did you understand? Jyoti Chawla. Select. Anyway, so anyway, so Harappa civilization जो एटा प्रथमे आगे एक्सकावेशन हेतिला एवं हरप्पा सिविलाइजेशन रु जो मटेरियल गुडा का हमें पाइले सेम टाइप रा मटेरियल हमें अलगा जगह रु मध्य पाइ अलगा इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन रो अलगा जगह रु मध्य पाइले तेनु ताकू मध्य से को रिलेट करके कुआगला हरप्पा सिविलाइजेशन जोटा एक्चुअली इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन जोटा हरप्पा सिविलाइजेशन सहीटा किंतु ता ना आंसर आकु मध्य करागला ठीक अछि हमें सेम जिनस बट हरप्पा को सिविलाइजेशन काई को कुआगला कारण गोटे जगह बाहला ताकू पुनी ता सहित किपरि कंपैरिजन करागला so the matter it has been means the material that we got from Harappan civilization Harappa site was the similar material the similar material we also got from other sites of other sites of Indus Valley civilization anyway so we'll discuss on that then the iron technology in the emergence of an early historic sites is highly contested so in due course of time different cities like Taxila and Pataliputra also came out so then there was the rise of political power then we will discuss about the third urbanization first urbanization was the Indus Valley urbanization second urbanization was the Gangetic Valley urbanization then then the third urbanization was under the sultans in the theme of block 4 it has been mentioned so the third urbanization occurred, and the fourth urbanization will come to know about after that, means after the colonialism, the fourth urbanization came. So anyway, so there was development in the third urbanization also. In the Delhi Sultanate, there was a development in art, architecture, and culture. So in every way, cities also came up. So in colonial context, when the Britishers, particularly the Europeans, came and the British ruled for near about 200 years to India, they introduced many things to us. So colonialism was again in the form of urbanization appeared before us. So as we are discussing that the in 21st century, we had no idea, means particularly we had no ideas, but particularly before 20th century. In 21st century, we are well aware about the cities and urban centers, but prior to 1921-22, the world was ignorant about the first civilization of India, that is the Indus Valley civilization. So let us know first, what is an urban center? You can say Mohenjo-daro was an urban center, and now today's Newark is a urban center. So these two cities separated in time and space, and there could not be more different, but both of them are called urban centers. The concept of an urban center should be able to encompass the great variety of forms. Compared to rural settlements, urban centers have a large population, as I was telling, that higher population density, greater social heterogeneity, and important members of the urban community engage in activities that are not directly related to the food production. So, जहाँ मु कहूली जे अर्बन सेंटर जो माने रहंती बा सहर रे जो माने रहंती से माने कोनोसी चाष काम फूड प्रोडक्शन यूनिट रे नथांती, चाषबास करंती नहीं कि पनीपरिबा करंती नहीं. They means they are only the consumers, they are not the producers. So एटी कौन रुहे ना, एटी इंडस्ट्रीज थाए, क्राफ्ट्स थाए, विभिन्न प्रकार अलग जिनस थाए, किंतु फूड प्रोड्यूसिंग यूनिट टा particularly it lives in rural basis. So rural areas रे a food producing unit थाए. So these activities consist of social, cultural, and industrial, commercial, religious, artistic, educational, military, political or administrative functions. So आमे सहर रे कौन कौन देखुछंती, सामाजिक कथा देखुछंती, कल्चर संस्कृतिर कथा देखुछंती, इंडस्ट्रियल शिल्प कथा देखुछंती, वाणिज्य कथा देखुछंती, धार्मिक कथा के देखुछंती, आर्ट आर्किटेक्चर कथा, सब विभिन्न प्रकार जो राजा महाराजा माने किमा जे कोनसी आमे जते गोडे अर्बन सेंटर को जेतिकी ब्यूटीफाई करा होची सेटा हम रूरल सेक्टर होची नहीं, कारण आम गाँ गंडारे सेबला जिमते एठी प्रत्येक देखिबो सब कोटा वॉल गुडाक, बाउंड्री वॉल गुडाक विभिन्न पेंटिंग माध्यम सजा जाउ सेटा गाँ रे नहीं. सो यही सब जिनस आम डेवलपमेंट होची, माने जो सहर देखिया मिलुची, एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन सहर रे अछि, मिलिटरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अछि, पॉलिटिकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव फंक्शन ता एठी होची, राजनीतिक किमा प्रशासनिक व्यवस्था एही सहर रे ही होची. सो ये जो डाइवर्सिफाई एक्टिविटीज बा जो ए विभिन्न प्रकार जो एक्टिविटी रहउची एटा शो करछे जे ए जो सहर सभ्यतार बा urbanization or specialization. ठीक है. The primary functions of an urban center are activities like administration, ritual service and trade, as I said, that urban centers are home to rich and poor, rulers and ruled, buyers and sellers, craftsmen and traders. रातଙ୍କ ମତରେ अर्बन सेंटर कहले आमे एटी कौन बुझौछु एटी धनी लोक रहउछन्ति गरीब लोक रहउछन्ति शासक रहउछन्ति शासित रहउछन्ति क्रेता रहउछन्ति विक्रेता रहउछन्ति जिनस पत्र तैयारी करिवा लोक रहउछन्ति बणिक रहउछन्ति सो एतिरे अधिक अधिक लोक रहउछन्ति एवं यही सब लोक अधिक रोचन किंतु चाष बास करुवा लोक एटी रहू नांती जोटा कि आमे गां रे देखिया को मिलुची चाष बास करुवा लोक मान सो आ गोटे तुमको कहथिली बिगिनिंग रु जे सरप्लस कथा कहथिली गोटे टर्म कथा जे बळका खाद्य कथा कहछ सो ए शहर कथाटा आमे केते बेले आसिला जेते बेले हमर एग्रीकल्चर रे सरप्लस हैला आमर जते अधिक हैला अधिक जिंस आमे कोन करंती आमे ताको नै कि मार्केट रे कोडी कोडी जगह काको दबा को इच्छा करंती दबा को तो मागणा रे काको दबा को इच्छा हबनी ना आमे ताको कोन करंती ना बिकीवा को इच्छा करंती आमे जदी देबु ता बदल रे कोन आमे पाई आगुरु से सिस्टम ता डेवलप करेतला जोटा बाटर सिस्टम कथा तुम कहते सो बाटर सिस्टम रे इन बाटर सिस्टम देयर इज गिव एंड टेक पॉलिसी so but when the money was introduced, currency was introduced, then what happened? Trade became more convenient. Trade and commerce became more convenient. अधिक सुविधाजनक हैला. So किए गोटे गाई नेक देला ताकू 10 कि 100 से दान दियो ए सी गोटे बस्ता बोई आनिबो गोटे गाई नेकी जीवो एटा गोटे अलग कथा थिला. ए जते पैसा बाहरला पैसा र इन माने आरंभ हैला लोक माने पैसा को यूज कले पैसा सहज रे माने सहज हो गला माने ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स पाई ठीक अछि सो हां सो ए जो सिस्टम ता गोटे इंस्टीट्यूशनल मेकानिज्म रे डेवलप हैला फूड प्रोड्यूसर्स इन ड्यू कोर्स ऑफ टाइम सम ऑफ देम आल्सो बिकेम द ट्रेडर्स ताका भीतर किछि लोक बाहरी गेले जो माने बणी कहले ठीक अछि सेटु किनी आले अल्प दाम रे एठी आनी की बिक्री कले गोटे जगह रे सेटु विभिन्न जगह लोक आसिले एक्चुअली ए जो जिंसटा हमर ट्रेड सिस्टम ता आरंभ हैला केबे किमते आरंभ हैला ना आगे हैला फेयर फेयर माने बुझो छुआ सो मेला जो बसुची हमर सब विभिन्न प्रकार मेला बसेने आगरु एबे मध्य चली सब विभिन्न जगह रे तुमे देखितबो केतबेले हमर पूजा पार्वण रे सब विभिन्न प्रकार मेला बसे विभिन्न प्रकार दुकान बसे so in fairs we find different kinds of shops from different parts of from different areas or from different parts of the state or country so people gather there and purchase the goods in ancient days what happened it was in once in a year or 6 months in a year in a, once or twice in a year it was the fairs were organized but in due course of time it thought was developed in the minds of the people that a regular market is needed to sell the products so सबुदिन जेतेले जो हमर परिया बाहर जे कि जे कोनसी प्रोडक्ट बाहर छै एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्ट जदि वर्ष सारा पर्यंत से रही परिबो नै त जो गुडा डेली बाहर छै ता कोड करे आजो कोड रखा जिवो त ताको गुडा मार्केट रो आरंभ करिबा को समान चिंता करले तार मार्केट रो हमर शहर को डेवलप हेतला जोटे के हम अर्बनाइजेशन कथा कहउछन सो the coming of the city represented a transformation in the relationship among humans rather than between humans and nature. Aguru nature of human bitar different sampark thila. Jetabale when people were living in the jungles, they had the relationship with the nature. Human being and nature both were involved themselves. So sarar ne jo jungle re rohutile तेणु प्रकृति आउ मनीष दी जन मिसिकी रोते ठीक अच्छे किंतु जेतेबेले सहर डेभलप हैला एटी जंगल तो क्वेश्चन नहीं गछ तो गोटे नहीं आ जंगल कथा सो एटी कौन रोचे केवल मनीषा मनीष भितर संपर्क एटी प्रकृति सहित संपर्क नहीं सहर यहीटा गोटे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आसिला सहर रे सो आउ गोटे थिला एटी मध्ये किनशिप डेभलप कला विभिन्न प्रकार कम्युनिटी लोक आसिक रहिले सेतरे जो किनशिपटा डेभलप कला so the origin of the cities is associated with the form of organization that is characterized by impersonal contacts. Such contacts and transactions are difficult to sustain through individual memory. So जो सिटी गुड़िक ओरिजिनेट है ताफल कौन विभिन्न लोक भितर कंटाक्ट आसला गोटे सहर लोक आ गोटे सहर सहित कंटाक्ट से जो प्रोडक्ट थिला एठी आनी बिक्री कले किंबा एटिका जिनस जाकि सेठी बिक्री हैला सॉरी तेणु तापर कौन है ना लोकंकर भावर आदान प्रदान है आउ देयर इज आल्सो एक्सचेंज ऑफ नीड्स गोटे सहर रे जो जिनस मिलू से अलग सहर रे मिलू नाही ठीक अछि एठी धर गोटे बड़ भल ऑडी कार मिलू नाही टेक फॉर एग्जांपल बालेश्वर मिलू नाही कि हमर भद्रक रे मिलू नाही बट ऑडी कार इज अवेलेबल इन भुवनेश्वर so the people of Bhubaneswar or Bhadrak or Baleshwar can means those who have motor companies or motor shops they can purchase Audi car from Bhubaneswar they can bring it back to the city bring it back to Baleshwar or Bhadrak so that people can purchase so my emphasis is on that there was exchange of needs so exchange माने लोकंकर जो आवश्यकता एक्सचेंज है बिकिबा चाहूले ऑडी कार वाला बिक्री करिया चाहूँ छोट सहर वाला दरकार अच्छी कि बहुत बड़ धनी गला से ऑडी कार किन तेणु यही सिस्टम रे सेतले मध्य डेवलप होइतिला so even minor errors of verbal command can turn into Chinese whispers so thus the written record came to play an important role in the impersonal transactions so many instances of early urbanism are therefore associated with the invention of writing so परवर्ती पर्याय जेते लेखा बाहरला जेते विभिन्न प्रकार भाषा बाहरला लेखा माध्यम रे लोक परिप्रकाश कर ठीक है so anyway let us know about what is urban history so today urbanization refers to population shift from rural to urban areas in the historical context urbanization also refer to the process by which the world spawned a new kind of settlement called the city so ए जो अर्बानाइजेशन क्षेत्र रे कौन होची ना रूरल एरिया रो जो हमें रूरल सेटलमेंट को रू ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होचंदी माइग्रेशन होचंदी कोटी की ना अर्बन सेंटर को हमें काहे के आसुचंती ना किसी फैसिलिटीज पाया पाए अधिक रो अधिक भलर रहिया पाए भलर रहिया पाए एक्चुअली आसुचंती दोज हु आर लिविंग इन Delhi sometimes last year up to corona people had a great money to live in foreign countries particularly New York particularly in America and other developed countries why it is because there is more facilities in modern facilities better to say there is more modern facilities than in India so people prefer to go there so जेहेतु सेठी अधिक अधिक एबे सिना कोरोना जो आ के कोड जिबा को इच्छा करना किंतु लोक माने अधिक अधिक सुविधा पाइया पई शहर रो आसीथांती ग्रामांचल रो आसीथांती शहर रे रहइबा so urbanism is an interdisciplinary project so एटा गोटे interdisciplinary project विभिन्न प्रकार फैक्टर्स काम करछ so it विभिन्न वर्गर लोक तम कोथले so different kinds of people different cultures of people are living here. So now let us discuss the urbanism and comparative method. The attempt to identify and analyze and explain similarities and differences across societies, nations and contents is called comparative research method. It involves the creation of a compatible data sets and a search for conceptual and functional equivalence. So in order to know that, we have to have a deep understanding of urbanism. So ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କମ୍ପାରିଜନ କଥା କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ସହରକୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଁ ସହିତ କମ୍ପେୟାର କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଏଇ କମ୍ପାରେଟିଭ ଲାଇଫ ପାଇଁ ହିଁ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ସହରକୁ। ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଗାଁରେ ମାନେ ଇଏ ଗୁଡାକ କଣ ହଉଛି, ଫ୍ୟାସିଲିଟିଜ କିମ୍ବା ଯେକୌଣସି ଜିନିଷ ଆମେ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ଗାଁରେ ମିଳୁ ନାହିଁ, ସହରରେ ମିଳୁଛି। ତେଣୁ ସହରକୁ, ସହରୀ ଜୀବନକୁ ଆମେ ଆମର ଦୈନନ୍ଦିନ ଜୀବନ ବା ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଅଫ ଏଭରିଡେ ଲାଇଫ वी वांट टू मेक इट। ଆମେ ଏଠି ଫିଲ୍ମ ସିନେମା ହଲ୍ ଅଛି, ସବୁ ପ୍ରକାର ସୁବିଧା ଅଛି, ମାର୍କେଟିଂ ଅଛି, ସପିଂ କଲ, ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାବେଳେ ଗଲ ବୁଲିବାକୁ, ଫିଲ୍ମ ଦେଖିଲ, ସो କେତେ କଥା ଅଛି ଯୋଉଟା କି ଗାଁରେ ଆଭେଲେବୁଲ ନାହିଁ। ତେଣୁ ଲୋକମାନେ ବେଶୀ ପ୍ରିଫର କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଠି ରହିବା ପାଇଁ। ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ମେଡିକାଲ ଫ୍ୟାସିଲିଟିଜ ରହିଲା, ଗାଁରୁ ଆସିକି ପହଞ୍ଚିଲା ବେଳକୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯୋଉ ଷ୍ଟେଜରେ ଅନେକ ଗାଁରେ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ ନାହିଁ ଠିକ ଠାକ ନାହିଁ। ସେଠି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ସରକାରଙ୍କ ଯୋଉ the government medical team also not cannot reach the rural areas, those where there is no communication facility. So anyway, so the structure of everyday life is of the urban center is different from the rural area. The structure of everyday life means it includes food habits, routines of walking, work and sleep, shapes of houses and modes of dress. So एटी विभिन्न प्रकार जो जिनसटा काम करूची, आमे जो ड्रेस पैटर्न पिंधुछंती, जदि आमे एटी मॉडर्न ड्रेस जो हमर देखो जो जिनती टेक फॉर एग्जांपल आमे छोटे छोटे ड्रेस पिंधुछंती, किंबा धर एटी झियो माने जेतिकी इंडिपेंडेंट माने जेतिकी स्वाधीनता एटी पाउछंती गाँव पाई पारिबे नाही। गाँव जदि से कौन प्रकार कि छोट मोट ड्रेस पिंधले कि कौन गोटे किसी समथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट लाइक बाय द पीपल ऑफ रूरल एरियाज, दे कैन नॉट स्टे देयर। तो जदि किसी तांको आचार व्यवहार नियति डिफरेंट आसीबो, तेणु सेठी सेटा रही परिबे नै। सो एटा गोटे सहरर लाइफ टा इज कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स। सो एनीवे, so now let us know about the historiography of urbanism. Modern studies of urbanism began in the late 19th century as an intersection of arts, humanities and social sciences. There is an attempt to understand the experimental nature and built environment of the city. Every city had an independent personality and at the same time it was part of a larger system of urbanization. So गोटे अर्बन सिस्टम गोटे प्रत्येक सिटी रा तार इंडिपेंडेंट पर्सनालिटी अछि। बीएमसी जहा सीएमसी सेन किबा राउरकेला म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन मध्य सेन हुए किबा बालेश्वर म्युनिसिपालिटी मध्य सीट दैट इज डिफरेंट। सो प्रत्येक एरिया, प्रत्येक शहर, particularly we are talking about the urban centers. सो प्रत्येक अर्बन सेंटर तार पर्सनालिटी अलग अछि, ठीक है। द वे द सिटी इज प्लान्ड, डिजाइन्ड, बिल्ट, इनहैबिटेड, अप्रोप्रिएटेड, सेलिब्रेटेड, डिपोजिटेड, डिस्पॉइल्ड एंड डिस्कार्डेड। कौन रोची ना गोटे सिटी रे आमे देखुछंती गोटे सिटी रा केते प्लान है। भुवनेश्वर इज ए प्लान्ड सिटी, whereas Kotak is not a planned city. It is based on the old pattern of city system. It is Bhubaneswar is well designed, well built, inhabited by means the people of Bhubaneswar are something different from the people of Cuttack. कटक रे भाईचारा सिस्टम अच्छी सेठी गाँ परिवेशटा अच्छी किंतु भुवनेश्वर रे सेटा ना ठीक अच्छे एटी सेलिब्रिटी रोचंदी कोठी शहर भुवनेश्वर रोचंदी कटक रे खूब कम रोचंदी तेणु करी सब विभिन्न प्रकार कोठी को जिनस केट छाड़ जाउछंती कोठी रखा जाउची सो इट डिपेंड्स अपने सिटी गोटे अर्बन सेंटर अलगा अर्बन सेंटर तारु निश्चित भाव रे अलगा थाए then modern studies of urbanism regarding we'll discuss about Henry Pirenne and Max Weber. So these are two sociologists also. So they have talked about the modern studies of urbanism, the beginnings of systematic studies of urbanism were connected with the period that witnessed phenomenal growth of urban centers as a result of industrialization. Actually, it is due to that industrialization, urban centers had a phenomenal growth. जेहेतु जेतेबेले शिल्पीकरण हैला बा शिल्पर डेवलपमेंट हैला ता फलर कौन हैला ना अर्बन सेंटर अधिक रु अधिक तैयारी ठीक है सो हाँ पिरेन कौन कहले ना अर्बन सेंटर रे particularly he talked about the European cities. According to him, the urban cities had emerged after the 10th century were the result of opening of trade routes with Asia. So, तुमन कहूली जे अर्बन सेंटर जेतेबेले हम फर्स्ट कहली जे जेतेबेले फूड सरप्लस फूड हैला बा जेतेबेले हमर एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर रे रूरल लोकंकर बा ग्रामांचल लोकंकर अधिक रु अधिक सरप्लस हैला ताकु नै मार्केट रे बिक्री करे मार्केट फेर गोटे आगे थिला फेयर्स रे बिक्री होतला बा मेला फेला रे बिक्री होतला उत्सव जगह रे बिक्री होतला तापरे मार्केट को डेवलप कला मार्केट रु सिटी को डेवलप कला सिटी रु और बड़ बड़ अर्बन सेंटर को डेवलप करा सो ये जो सिस्टम ता 9th-10th सेंचुरी रे आरंभ हेतला कोटी ना यूरोप रे ठीक अछि जो बेसिकली डेवलप कला यूरोप रे केते बेले ना हमरा जेतेले एशिया सहित ट्रेड रिलेशन ता अधिक रो अधिक मात्रा रे बढ़िला एवं जेते बेले when there was the decline of feudalism in Europe started in there was decline of Europe there was started decline in Europe so ये यूरोप रे जो सामंतवाद सिस्टम रो जो पतन घटिला ता फरे ट्रेड ता अधिक रो अधिक डेवलप कला ठीक अछि सो मैक्स वेबर का मतरे he said the transactional and depersonalized nature of modern economies and social relationship as the explanation for the life of lonely crowds. Weber excavated a deeper history of urbanism by pointing out that European city of the Renaissance represented a unique form of organization that had no precedent in history, no parallels in China, India, or the Arab world. Actually, with the development or with the emergence of Renaissance in Europe, there was a vast change. So, गोटे विराट परिवर्तन आसिला नवजागरण फल रेनेसां आसीबा फल ठीक अछि सो ता फल कहला because the with the emergence of or with Renaissance the mindset of the people of the world began to change. People from one part of the world came in contact with the other part of the world. People of West came in contact with the people of the East. Now, the culture mixed with each other. The Eastern culture mixed with Western culture and the Western culture mixed with Eastern culture. So, इतने संस्कृत ये आसिला कंटाक्ट रे आसिला सेतेले परिवर्तन आसिला ठीक अछि सो এই যে পরবর্তী স্টেজ রে কোন হেলা না এই যে সিটি গুডा करे सब elite लोक ही बेसिकली रहले elite means those who are knowledgeous or knowledgeable person. So this impression is strengthened by the fact that most important cities of the pre-modern world like Rome, Constantinople, Baghdad, Delhi or Beijing were political capitals in the first place. So the great centers of trade and commerce are the great urban centers were the political capitals at that time. So, but if you compare the New York City, it is arguably the most important city of the last 100 years. But it is not a political capital. That is why the scholars characterize pre-modern cities as parasitic and modern cities as drivers of the growth. So, जो आधुनिक पूर्वरु means with जो आधुनिक युग पूर्वरु जो सिटी गुडी को डेवलप थिला जो गुड सिटी गुडी का थिला that was parasitic in nature माने it was dependent. But in case of modern cities it became diversified, it became more dynamic in nature, it was changeable. The value system of pre-modern cities was governed by kingship, kinship, family and religion. So ei jo pre-modern city गुडा का कादरा डेवलप होतला ना राजांक द्वारा लोक माने जो संपर्क द्वारा आउ थिला परिवार द्वारा एवं धर्म द्वारा ये समस्त जिंस डेवलप होतला. So in USA the Chicago school, just if you discuss the study of urbanism in USA the Chicago school experimented the new ways of understanding urbanism. They made the city of Chicago their fold to urbanization and put special emphasis on scientific measurement, that is the quantification and comparison. Urban life was believed to be embedded in its wider geographic and material environment. So Chicago method अनुसार कौन थिला ना एथरे ये जो अर्बन लाइफ टा कौन हैला ना गोटे जो बेसी व्याप्त है गला जो गोटे मीन्स भौगोलिक अवस्थिति ठारू किंबा गोटे पारिवेशिक अवस्थिति ठारू आगुरु कौन रहउतला ना जो लोक जो एरिया रे रहउतले सही कथा ही बेसिकली भाबुतले गोटे भौगोलिक अवस्थिति कथा भाबुतले. परवर्ती पर्याय रे जते बेले एई जो लोककर माइंडसेट चेंज हैला सेते बेले सेमन ता बाहर को पड़ी आसे. Scholars like Louis Reed studied urbanism in socio-psychological and historical structural terms. It was shown how land use had changed with different patterns of industrialism and changes in social structure. So, जितबले लैंड टाको आमे इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन क्षेत्र रे यूज करले तेणु ता फल कोन हैला ना सोशल स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये चेंज हैला. जेतले आमे एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड टाको जेतले जो गुडा की चाष बास होतला तादरे शिल्प गले सेते बेले चेंज हे गेला, सिचुएशन चेंज हे गेला. किमती हुए ना देख फॉर एग्जांपल जेतले आपन गोटे बड़ गोटे गाँ एरिया भी जदि गोटे डेवलप करा कौन गोटे धर गोटे इंडस्ट्री बसिला ठीक अच्छे जर टेक फॉर एग्जांपल जदि पोस्को बसी था जगत सिंहपुर एरिया इफ पोस्को industry would have been established at Jagatsinghpur area, in that locality or that rural area would have been one of the great cities or the one of the biggest cities of Odisha at that till now. So जदि सेठी डेवलप होई थांदा पोस्कोटा ताले केते बड्ड शहर है थाने सेटा ठीक अछि. So anyway then urbanism and modernity, there has been a distinct tradition of studying urbanism as a site of modernity. The modern city as envisaged by planners had a top-down approach with the planned towns of buildings, regulated routes of traffic and scaled distances. Modernity is understood as a cultural concomitant of industrial capitalism with its notions of individualism and homogenization of everyday practice. So ये जो modern city जो develop करूची ताकू कौन करूची ना तार plan रोज building रे plan रोज तमें जेतेबेले गोटे सहर रे गोटे घर करिवो गाँ रे घर करिवो कोनोसी प्लानिंग दरकार नाही तमे जुआड जेमति तयारी करछो कर किंतु whenever you will um, um, establish a building in your in urban centers, then you have to take permission from the municipal corporation or municipality, and engineer had to make it, and you have to get it permitted from the or urban centers, or particularly the municipality or BMC or CMC or else, or anything else. So anyway, the town, the urban centers, the people in urban centers needs permission for doing many things. So गोटे सहर रहिले तुम बहुत जिनस रे परमिशन नबाकू पड़िबो ठीक अछि anyway. So then urban histories and the cultural turn. The study of urban history has also seen a cultural turn. The cultural turn signifies a shift to studying the experimental aspect of urbanism. Cultural turn ta kata kon hochi na it's an experimental aspect of urbanism. Scholars try to move away from ground theories and explanation in favor of local knowledge and localized explanation of change. So ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ବାନ ସେଣ୍ଟରରେ ଆମେ କଣ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ ଜିନିଷ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇପାରୁଛି ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ଆଜି ଯୋଉଟା ଦେଖିଥିବ ଆଜି ଯୋଉ ପୋଲଟା ଦେଖିଥିବ କାଲି ସେଟା ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦେଇକି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ସେଠି କରିଦେଇଥିବ ଠିକ ଅଛି କି ଆଉ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷକୁ ଆମେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦେଇ ପାରୁଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ରୁରାଲ ସେଟଅପରେ ସେଠିକି ତୁମେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିପାରିବ ନାହିଁ ୟୁ ଜଷ୍ଟ କାଣ୍ଟ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ଦ କଲଚର ଅଫ ଏ ରୁରାଲ ଏରିଆ ୟୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ଦ କଲଚର ଇନ୍ ଅର୍ବାନ ଏରିଆ अर्बन एरिया रे टेक फॉर एग्जांपल आमे जो कल्चर आमर न थाए आमे ताको अडॉप्ट करंती टेक फॉर एग्जांपल आम जो से 14 फेब्रुआरी हो कि अलग जे कोनसी आमे नुआ नुआ सब वेस्टर्न पार्ट रो आमे अडॉप्ट करूछंती दोज कल्चर्स बट इन रूरल एरियाज ऑफ कोर्स नाउअडेज द पीपल आर अडॉप्टिंग इन इवन इन रूरल एरियाज जदियो गाँ रे भी अनेक संस्कृति को पाश्चात्य संस्कृति के आमे आपणे लेन किंतु अनेक पर्यंत भी अच्छी गाँ एरिया से जिनसा हो पारु नहीं. The studies questioned notions of structural explanations in terms of global categories like economy or politics. Then microhistories of localities, issues related to gender, sexuality, subjectivity, race, and caste became dominant concerns of a large number of historians. So, বিভিন্ন প্রকার issue রয়েছে. Issues relating gender, with male or female sexuality, subjectivity to race. So, किए को race रो ता मध्य गोटे matter करूची. Caste also became the dominant concerns. The material and symbolic spaces were being continuously dissolved and recreated in the life of the people of life of the peoples. So anyway, beginning from the 1970s, there has been an awareness of history of masculinity of the construction and management of urban spaces. Scholars have pointed out that ideas about public spaces and domestic space are inflected with male-centric ideology. So actually, be it a urban center, be it a rural center, rural area, everywhere the male dominance is still existing. People, even in 21st century, particularly males, in 21st century are not yet ready to accept the authority of the woman. If a means suppose in case of a husband and wife, if a wife is in a higher position, then hardly a husband can tolerate the superiority of his wife. So anyway, so that is the gender discrimination is still there in urban area. It is there in rural area, but in urban area, even after getting educated, also people are behaving that way. So urban history has learned from a variety of disciplines, bringing its career as a minor description of memories about cities. It turned into a major discipline that provided insights into major historical formations. So there is the difference between the life of the urban people and the rural people. Now let us know about let us come to the unit 2, that is the approaches to the study of ancient cities. In this we will discuss about the Harappan cities, early archaeology of Harappan cities, recent data and the new interpretations between the Harappa and the early historic and absence of cities. Then the early historic cities in texts, understanding early historic urbanization, exploring and excavating early historic urban centers. So let us know about this early urban centers. The earliest cities came off around 2600 BC in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent, lasted for nearly 700 years. These cities are associated with the Harappa or Indus period. Both are same as Jyoti was telling, but it has been named after some. You can say both as Harappa civilization or Indus Valley period, Indus Valley civilization. Both are same, as Harappa was the first site to be excavated, and the same type of material that we got from Harappa, we also got it from other sites. It is also called as the Harappan civilization. The abandonment of most of these settlements around 1900 BC marked the end of the first phase of urbanism. The next stage of urban centers refer to the early historic period, began around 500 BCE and continued for about 1000 years. Unlike the gap in the urban centers between the Harappan and early historic period, this is not the case in subsequent early medieval or medieval period or early modern 16th or 18th century or modern periods. So anyway, so ये जो ये कथा में आलोचना करुथली अली सिटीज कथा बा प्राचीनतम सहर कथा आलोचना करथिले भारतीय भारत रे जोटा कि 700 वर्ष पर्यंत हिस्ट्री रहिथिला। प्रथमे आमे ए दिगरे हरप्पा सिविलाइजेशन कथा कहबा, हरप्पा बा इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन बा सिंधु सभ्यता कथा कहबा। दीटा जांक सेम कथा, हरप्पा सभ्यता जहा सिंधु सभ्यता सैया, किंतु हरप्पा सभ्यता प्रथमे ए जो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन ता बा सिंधु सभ्यता जहा कमी कहउछंती ता हरप्पा नामक एक स्थान रु प्रथमे आगे सेटा को खोला जायतिला এবং तारी ना अनुसार सिंधु सभ्यता को मध्य हरप्पा सभ्यता कहा जाय। कारण हरप्पा थारु जेउ जिंस मिलितला, जेउ उत्खनन द्वारा जेउ सब जिंस मिलितला से एका प्रकार जिंस सिंधु सभ्यतार अन्य जगार मध्य मिलितला। तेणु सिंधु सभ्यता को हरप्पा सभ्यता मध्य कहा जाय। ठीक अछि। सो इतरे जितेबेले सिंधु सभ्यतार पतन घटला तापरे गोटे अर्ली हिस्टोरिक पीरियड आसला। ये तो परिवर्तन कथा कहूली। सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द चेंजेस। सी Indus Valley civilization was a urban civilization. It was a center of, it was an urban center. But just after that, when the Aryan civilization started, it was a rural-based civilization. So till date, it is a controversial issue. How the what happened means people left the cities and the uh, went to the village area or rural areas, and the rural civilization developed, whereas we have no information after that on Indus Valley civilization. Although you just can't say that the Indus Valley civilization ended abruptly. It might have taken some years, some decades. But so ये जो हमें कही परिवाना जे इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन एका थरके निश्चिन्न हो जाइतिला तार एका थरके पतन हो जाइतिला कोन जिंस एका थरके सब किछि हुए नाही ठीक अछि आस्ते आस्ते हेतिबो कोनोसी कारण थे बहुत कारण अछि जेटा कि हमें आलोचना करि परिबा परे सो ये जो सिंधु सभ्यतार पतन परे परे गोटे ग्रामीण सभ्यता देखा जोटा कि हमें आर्य सभ्यता कहउछन आर्य जुग कथा कहउछन ठीक है सहर आगे कौन हुए ना आमे गाँ रु सहर को जाइता सहर को गाँ को जिबा सहर रु गाँ को परिवर्तन हबा एटा गोटे निहाती उल्लेखनीय घटना है ना नहीं सो एनीवे सो ये जो now let us know about the Harappan cities. The Harappan cities must have been among several ancient cities that stood as massive mounds spoken of by the locals as ancient places. One of these ancient places brought Charles Mason in his random explorations. So Charles Mason first second करथिले ना random exploration द्वारा ताकू पंजाब एरिया रु पाइथिले जोटा कि परवर्ती पर्याय रे it was Alexander Cunningham who visited Harappa on one of his early tours searching for archaeological evidence in the northern part of the subcontinent. से मध्य किसी जानि पार नथले परे जते 1921 मसिया 21-22 मसिया रे जते आदि बानाजी और दयाराम साहनी कथा उत्खनन कले से पर्टिकुलरली हरप्पा ठारे तापरे आमे इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन विषय विस्तृत विवरण जान ठीक है सो एनीवे ये जो हरप्पा सभ्यता जो आम सिंधु सभ्यता कथा कहते सिंधु सभ्यता विभिन्न सहर को लेकिन गढ़ी उठिला ता भितर हरप्पा गोटे जगह थिला हरप्पा गोटे सहर थिला मोहनजोदारो गोटे सहर थिला सुरकोटाटा गोटे थिला लोथाल थिला ठीक अच्छे कालीबंगन थिला और अनेक यही सहर थिला जोगुड़ा की डेवलप होता एवं ये समस्त सहर गुड़िक का अंडर आसूला ना इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन सिंधु नदी उपत्यका रे जतिकी सहर गढ़ी उठी इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन कथा कहते the cities which developed along with the banks of Indus Valley, we call it as Indus Valley civilization. Okay, so anyway, so ये जो Indus Valley civilization कथा वर्तमान आलोचना करती है only archaeology of Harappan cities. So Harappa आउ मोहनजोदारो रे जो डिस्टिंक्टिव फीचर आमे देखिया पाइले जो विभिन्न प्रकार जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक देखिया जो उपादान पाइले पर्टिकुलरली तांकर जो फीचर्स थिला टाउन प्लानिंग एंड अदर थिंग्स दैट वाज फाउंड इन अदर प्लेसेस ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन आल्सो हरप्पा मोहनजोदारो जो टाइप रे पाइले अलग जगह रे मध्य से टाइप रो मिला एनीवे So, sustained excavation of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa provided the first image of bronze urban centers in South Asia. So bronze বা তাম্র ଯୁଗର ଯୋଉ ସହରୀ ସଭ୍ୟତା ଏସିଆରେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପାଇଲେ କୋଉଠି ନା ଇଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଭ୍ୟାଲି ସିଭିଲାଇଜେସନ ଆକାରରେ ବା ହରପ୍ପା ସଭ୍ୟତା ବା ସିନ୍ଧୁ ସଭ୍ୟତା ଆକାରରେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପାଇଲେ. By the 1940s, several smaller settlements had also been excavated in the uplands of Sindh and in Indus Valley. So Sindhu ଉପତ୍ୟକାରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ହରପ୍ପା ମହେଞ୍ଜୋଦାରୋ କୁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲା ପରେ ଆଉ ସବୁ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ବାହାରିଲା ସଭ୍ୟତା ମାନେ ସହର ବାହାରିଲା. ଠିକ ଅଛି. So the Harappan cities also framed in terms of what was already known about the cities in Mesopotamia. The link in Mesopotamia between sacred and secular powers prompted the attribution in the South Asia to similar organization entities. So, ये जो हरप्पा सिटी गुड़िका कौन होता ना आम जो मेसोपोटामिया जो सहर जमी देखिया जमी टाइप देखा पाँच सेठी जमी सहर जमी डेभलप होता एठी से प्रकृति डिफरेन्स तो निहाती रहिबो किंतु ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल एंटिटीज जमी सांगठनिक दृष्टिकोण रु अनेक सिमिलारिटी थिला एवं जेतेबेले आमे सेटा को आकार रे देखुछंती जे मोहेंजोदारो जो गोटे प्रिस्ट किंग तांकर जो छाती पर्यंत माने आवक्ष मूर्ति गोटे जो मिली सेटा दर्शाउची जे सिमिलारिटी सेम टाइप रो मूर्ति बा सेई टाइप रो मूर्ति मध्य मेसोपोटामिया रु मिलुची. सो there was the cultural contact between the different urban centers at that time. So तुम कहतली एमती आम सीना देश देश एग्जांपल रे दउतली एमती हमर धर बालेश्वर जो जिनसटा नाही किबा राउरकेला जो जिनसटा नाही सेटा भुवनेश्वर रे अछि. ठीक अछि. भुवनेश्वर आमे कोन करचंती न जिनसटा आणचंती किबा भुवनेश्वर जो जिनसटा नाही सेटा अलगा शहर रे अछि सेटू आसी एटू आसी सेट सामान्य नउचंती किबा वाणिज्य व्यवसाय द्वारा बढ़ुची. तो एद्वारा कौन हो कॉन्टैक्ट्स बढ़ुची संपर्कटा बढ़ुची सांस्कृतिक संपर्क वाणिज्यिक संपर्क बढ़ुची. ठीक अछि. सो only as a recent data and a new interpretation only impressionistic assumptions are now being seriously questioned. The idea of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa being exactly similar and revealing a monotonous material culture is no longer considered the case. Also, despite the amount of archaeological work that has been undertaken at both sides, the positive identification of material and structures with religious remains tentative at best for the Bronze Age in South Asia. So, केते को कहउछंती जे हम जो नुआ डाटा आसिया फଳରେ प्रमाणित है जे एक्जाक्टली एटी जहा सेटी सेया मिली नाही किछि डिफरेंस रही किंतु सिमिलारिटी बहुत क्षेत्र में मध्य अछि. ठीक है. द अबव टू वेज इन व्हिच हरप्पन आर्कियोलॉजी इज बीइंग rethought is due to the sustained work that has been done in investigating a myriad range of sites. So विभिन्न प्रकार साइट को एक्सकावेशन कला फଳରେ आमे तार डिफरेंस टा जानछन. कारण गोतम कहउतली जे कटक र लोकंकर लाइफस्टाइल जहा भुवनेश्वर लाइफस्टाइल लोकंकर लाइफस्टाइल सेया नुहे कि राउरकेला रे रहउतवा लोकंकर lifestyle same. As I was telling that the lifestyle of the people who are living in Cuttack is not the same as the people who are living in either in Raurkela or in Bhubaneswar. So excavations and explorations of Harappan sites have been useful because they have added to the range of information already known in terms of locations, materials, and build sets. So, location दृष्टि अलग, material दृष्टि मध्य किछ मात्रा अलग, एवं build shapes मध्य परवर्ती स्टेज रे चेंज हिस्से घर shape and size रे मध्य किछ चेंज हिस्से. Several such sites were excavated in the 1950s and 1960s, particularly Lothal and Kalibangan. Lothal has a dockyard, but it was a port site. But Bondara thila kodi Lothal. Lothal is situated in Gujarat, and Kalibangan is situated in Rajasthan. There are also Dholvira, Rakhigadi. By the archaeological in 1990s, Dholvira, Rakhigadi were also excavated. These larger and small sites such as Harappa, Lothal. Harappa was excavated again excavated in 1991. Lothal was again excavated 2 times by Rao in 1979 and in 1985. Surkotada was excavated by Joshi in 1990. Kalibangan was excavated Lal, BB Lal, etc. In 2003 and 2015. Then Sarma also excavated Kalibangan in 1999. Then Banwali or Beast in 1900. Banwali was excavated by Beast in 1982 and 84. Then Dholvira was also excavated by Beast, archaeologist Beast, in 1991. So these have been published into reports to varying degrees. Smaller sites were excavated in certain regions such as Gujarat were well explored by Indian universities such as Deccan College of Pune and MS University of Baroda and Institute of Rajasthan Studies. So anyway, the major works have been achieved through the generation of archaeological data using new technique as well as the new interpretation of existing material. In this context, one can note the explorations and excavations at sites like Mohenjo-daro and Harappa with fresh questions and new technologies. So, ये जो नुआ नुआ एक्सकावेशन हैला ता भितरे हमर नुआ नुआ डाटा मध्य आसिला with the existing map जो नुआ material मिलला जो हम जो उत्खनन द्वारा जो तथ्य पाइले ताहा विभिन्न कथा प्रमाणित करिबाक लागिला. Then the attention of Harappan archaeology has attracted and the data has been generated has also meant that the scholars have been able to concentrate on political aspects. So the political organization, technologies, crafts, geological provinces, and discovery of the Harappan, etc., and particularly of Harappan's urban centers, it speaks about the changes. The political structure of Harappa has long been under contention with several diverse views of the lack of state, a single state and multiple states. The first was propounded earlier by Walter Fabris in 1961 and 71, but more prevalent have been the latter two positions. The research and craft technologies has also focused on the wealth of detailed evidence that Harappan archaeologists have been able to unearth systematic surface surveys of certain sites such as Mohenjo-daro and Channu-daro have shown the way to useful strategy to study states without having to excavate them. So, जो एस्कावेशन करागला अलगा पार्टिन मोहनजोदार 1984 मसीह चानुदार 1985 मसीह सो एथिरे नुआ टेक्निक बा नुआ स्ट्राटेजी सब अपना जाइतिला खोलिया पाई बा खोदन पाई बा खनन पाई सो the discovery of Harappan site itself has been a fascinating story, one illustrated well by Nanjot Lahiri, who has excavated Harappa again in 2005 with a wealth of detail from the archives. So this is a part of genre of writing that has focused the history of Indian archaeology on the persons involved and the actions that they took. The story is useful comment on how sites get excavated and how they are uh, reported. So ये जो excavation कथा हमें आलोचना करचंदी बा मनन करचंदी जति मृत सॉरी प्रत्नतत्वविद माने जो एक्सकावेशन कले ता भितरे गोटे बड़ कथा रहउची जे से माने जो एक्सकावेशन कले ता पर फोकस कले लिखिला बेले से माने की पढी पापरे ताको इंटरप्रेट कले Lahiri's edited book brings together archaeologists and their hypotheses on what led to the end or decline of Harappan sites, one of the most debated issues in Harappan archaeology. So, प्रत्येक ऐतिहासिक प्रत्येक प्रत्नतत्वविद विशेष कर प्रत्येक प्रत्नतत्वविद हरप्पा सभ्यतार बा सिंधु सभ्यतार पतनर कारण भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार देइछ ठीक अछि आज डॉक्टर्स डिफर जेतेबेले तुमे कोनोसी डॉक्टर पाखक जीव डॉक्टर ये डॉक्टर जदि गोटे मेडिसिन दब आ गोटे डॉक्टर आइदर सिमिलर टिके दब नहले से ता निज मेडिसिन दब तो सही बळी प्रत्नतत्वविद माने मध्य केतक क्षेत्र रे जेपरि कि इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन रो पतन कारण उपरे मतभेद रही मत ऐक्य नहीं विभिन्न ऐतिहासिक विभिन्न प्रत्नतत्वविद माने विभिन्न कथा कही किए कही जे सिंधु सभ्यतार गति सिंधु नदीर गतिपथ परिवर्तन जो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन पतन है किए कहते माइग्रेशन द्वारा जे कौन माइग्रेशन जेहेतु केतले हम बेले बेले देखि जो सहर में कौन असुविधा हुए लोक से कौटी पढ़ाती गाँ को पढ़ाती नहीं ये जो हुडुहुडु फनी सब है भुवनेश्वर लोक किए कौटे गाँ सब पड़ेगा कहीं ना सहर में बहुत जिनस ठप हो गला 1999 रे जो बात्या है जो आमर सुपर साइक्लोन से लोक बाध्य हेले गाँ को पड़े कारण 15 दिन 10 दिन 15 दिन लेखा किसी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आसला नहीं लोक पाखे पानी ना ये कौन गाँ है कूह कि ट्यूबवेल अच्छी पानी यूज कर सो किसी लोक माइग्रेशन हो पार कौन प्रकार और केतक ऐतिहासिक कहती जे मोर नेचुरल कालामिटी आसी किसी प्रकार गोटे रोग बड़ रोग हो जहाँफल कि लोक एकाथरे छाड़ी पड़े कि केतक कहते जे सेठी कौन प्रकार युद्ध हो माने सिविल वार कि कौन कि फरेन अटैक माने जमी आर्य मैंने आसिक आक्रमण करते सेटा गोटे कारण हो पारे किए कहते सब विभिन्न कारण रोचे किए कहते भूमिकंप हो किए कहते बन्या हो सब विभिन्न प्रकार कारण दर्शाउं विभिन्न प्रत्नतत्वविद माने ठीक अच्छे ये कहते पतन होता आमर इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन सो केतक तार पीरियड को लेकिन तार ता भीतर मतभेद रही सो ऐतिहासिक माने बा प्रत्नतत्वविद माने जमी कहली डॉक्टर्स डिफर बा गोटे डाक्तर अन्य गोटे डाक्तर डिफर से बड़ी एम भीतर अनेक मत पार्थक्य रही मत ऐक्य खूब कम रही ऐतिहासिक प्रत्नतत्वविद मान भीतर So between the Harappan and the early historic period, an absence of cities. So जो हरप्पा एवं early historic period, आम जो historic period कोटा written record is known as historic period. So ये जो early historic period और हरप्पा period आ भीतर कौन रहता ना difference टा थिला कौन absence थिला an absence of cities. So there is a consensus among most of the archaeologists that intervening period between the end of the Harappa to the beginning of the early historic period was devoid of urban centers. So urban Indus Valley civilization पतन एवं जो आर्य जुगर आरंभ आ भितरे कोठी ना कोठी आमे सिटी राउ absence सिटी रे absence देखिया को पाउछ आ सिटी डेवलप करी नाही rather it has become a rural based society, Aryan society. ठीक है so anyway ये जो period रे so there was divide of urban centers. It is not as though there were no settlements in various parts of the subcontinent, but the nature was rural in character. So आउ कौन सी सहर विकास ही नथिला rather the Vedic civilization or early historic period was rural in character. However, there is one archaeologist, Sephar, in 1993, who has argued for the presence of urban centers during the period in Gulistan in present-day Pakistan and in eastern Punjab, which for him included the contemporary Indian states of Punjab, Haryana, northern Rajasthan and western parts of Uttar Pradesh. So, 1993 मसीह सेफर बोली जने प्रत्नतत्वविद थिले सी आर्ग्यू कले जे अर्बन सेंटर ये जो पतन समय रे मध्य आउ केतक जगह रे देखा जायतिला पाकिस्तान रे ईस्टर्न पंजाब रे इत्यादि जगह रे राजस्थान रे एवं उत्तर प्रदेश रे वेस्टर्न पार्ट रे मध्य सेतेबेले डेवलप कहिथिली जे एकाथर के कोनोसी सभ्यतार पतन घटे नाही किछि आस्ते आस्ते एटा सब जिंस आस्ते आस्ते ऑल ऑफ ए सडन कोनोसी जिंस घटी नाही किछि सेही ऑल ऑफ ए सडन भी जो घटी थिबो ताको किछि समय लागितो जेतरे गोटे बात्या आसुछि आमे त भाबुछे हठात की बात्या आसिला ना हठात किछि बात्या आसिबो आगे समुद्र भितरे तार प्रक्रिया आरंभ होइतो प्रोसेस ता आरंभ होइतो समुद्र भितर ता परे जाई बात्या हो एकाथर कोन बात्या हे दूस के आसी गोटे पसी जाय कि सिमिति किछि हुए नाही एनीवे so let us know about the early historic cities. The cities and early historic urbanism can be broadly divided into three categories. The first would be those that are primarily based on texts, which are normative or narrative in nature. So, ऐतिहासिक मानक मतरे जो अर्ली हिस्टोरिक पीरियड अर्बानिज्म जो डेवलप हेतला ता तीन भाग गोटे कौन होची ना जोटा कि टेक्स्ट द्वारा लिखाई थी आइदर नैरेटिव और नॉर्मेटिव इन नेचर जोटा वर्णना भावरे वर्णना करके लिखाई थी दिस कैन बी ट्रेस्ड nearly a century ago with the monographs of CPV Iyer's Town Planning and Ancient Deccan. So 1916 मसीह से बइटे लिखथिले सेतरे टाउन प्लानिंग इन एंशिएंट डेक्कन बा प्राचीन दक्षिणात्य रे टाउन प्लानिंग बा नगर परिकल्पना कथा सिलेक्शन एवं बीबी दत्स टाउन प्लानिंग इन एंशिएंट इंडिया 1925 which were followed by several others and include the more recent sites by Brajadulal Chattopadhyay in 2003 and Sonalika Cole in 2010. The second category includes the overview of urbanization and urbanization in the rural historic period. The second includes the overviews of urbanization and urbanization in the early historic period by archaeologists such as Ghosh in 1973, Alchin in 1989, Alchin, his name is 1990, Chakrabarti in 1995, etc. The third comprises archaeological research undertaken with the specific purpose of investigating early historic urbanization. And urbanization primarily through field surveys and excavation. So anyway, in due course of time, different archaeologists also excavated other parts of early historic sites, particularly upper Ganga Basin plains was excavated by Menon and Burma, and in 2010 and also in 15, and Aram in Central Deccan in 2016. Then early historic cities in texts. In this section, the recent textual studies, Chattopadhyay in 2003 and Kaul in 2010 and 16, on the city of early India, we'll discuss on that. For Chattopadhyay, texts provide literary images as well as normative prescriptions about cities. Undoubtedly, the literary accounts would have drawn from the lived reality of urban residents. Yet Chattopadhyay warns us that literature can hardly be expected to provide description with cartographic precision. Kaul in 2010 his study deals with the imaginative representation of urbanism based on Sanskrit kavyas. So particularly the literature that developed in the early historic period provides a wide range of knowledge regarding this period. So जो विभिन्न समय जो वैदिक जुगर साहित्य हमको अनेक तथ्य जोगाई था ये जो early historic period विषय जानिबा पाए. Then understanding of early historic urbanization. Ram Saran Sharma in 1974, drawing on Damodar Dharmanand Goswami or D.D. Goswami's ideas, first made a causal link between iron technology to the beginning of states and cities in the early historic period. It was A. Ghosh in 1973, however, who raised several important issues not related to the emergence but also defining characteristics and what distinguishes the urban from the rural. The urban from the rural. So, A. Ghosh 1973 मसीह कौन कहले ना ये जो अर्बन और रूरल भितरे जो डिफरेंस टा देखेले सेतरे से वर्णना कले जे रूरल एरिया रु ही अर्बन एरिया को माइग्रेशन टा हेतला प्रथम जो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन हेतला किंतु परवर्ती पर्याय रे कोन एग्जैक्टली हैला जा फल गोटे रूरल सिविलाइजेशन आविर्भाव हैला. इट्स ए ग्रेट क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो फॉलोइंग D.D. Goswami, Sharma and Thakur to attributed to the urbanization in the early historic phase to be widespread use of the iron technology The the specificities that can be provided by archaeological data, particularly on archaeological, so architectural plans, houses, and context of craft production, were however absent. Moreover, his discussions on the decline of early historic cities is largely inspired by Sharma's thesis, Urban Decay in the period between 300 to 100 C. So anyway, so ये जो 1972 मसीह शर्मा निजर एस्कावेशन द्वारा बा खनन द्वारा से कौन कले प्रूव कले ना ये जो अर्ली हिस्टोरिक साइट्स रो किबळी भाव रे पतन घटिला माने उत्थान घटिला कहा पतन रे ना अर्बन डिके कोटा इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन अर्बन सेटा अर्बन सिविलाइजेशन थिला सो तार पतन घटिला while Thakur study did not make any temporal or spatial distinction in the urban centers of early historic period. D.K. Chakravarti in 1995 his monograph is a catalogue of ancient Indian cities. His work is largely compilation of archaeological data taken from the excavation reports of the Harappan as well as the early historic sites. 1995 मसीह दिलीप कुमार चक्रवर्ती सी विभिन्न माने जो पुस्तक से कौन करले ना प्राचीन भारतीय सहर कथा वर्णना करथिले जोटा कि बेस करुथला जहा कि विभिन्न उत्खनन रिपोर्ट ऊपर बेस करुथला. The archaeological information that he has collected on the Harappan and early historic urban centers is descriptive in nature, while there is little analyzing regarding urbanism. So, urbanism कथा बेसी कम discussion करिसंती, किंतु urban centers कथा बेसी discussion करचंती. Satyendra Kumar Jha also urged us not to view the emergence of urbanization in the Gangetic Valley as a homogeneous development. Instead, he alerted to the possibility of both spatial and temporal versions. Anyway, thus we find the studies of early historic urbanization and urbanization remain limited in their analysis due to the positive archaeological data. So, जो early urbanization बा प्राचीन ऐतिहासिक जो शहरीकरण किंबा जो पूरा शहरीकरण जोटा आमर कहते इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन कथा कहते सो ता भितर गुड बड़ लिमिटेशन रही जेहेतु आम पाखरे प्रचुर प्रत्नतात्विक तथ्य नहीं तेणु आम ता विषय ए पर्यंत आउरी अनेक कंट्रोवर्सी रही आउरी द्वंद्व मध्य रही. Exploring and excavating early historic urban centers. There are few examples of archaeological surveys that have been undertaken in India with the specific goal of understanding urbanization or urban centers in early historic period. So, इस समय कौन है सर ये जो एक्सप्लोरेशन और एक्सकावेशन माध्यम रे अनेक कथा हमें जो अर्बन सेंटर जो अर्बनाइजेशन कौन अर्बन सेंटर कौन से विषय बुझिया को हमको किसी तथ्य जोगई से जो एक्सकावेशन और एक्सप्लोरेशन. A field survey involving a systematic sampling strategy was carried out by Monica Smith in 2001 at the early historic site of Kaudinyapura in central India. In order to assess the relationship between Kaudinyapura and its intermediate in hinterland, an area encompassing a 10-kilometer radius around the site was also surveyed. Within the outlying survey zone, Damantri, a small mound about 4 kilometers from Kaundinyapura, was also surveyed. Her study indicated that local and regional socio-economic networks may have been more important than long-distance relationship in the early historic period. So, Monica Smith, who is a professor in California University, and I had the opportunity to work with her uh, in Sisupalgarh, which is situated in Bhubaneswar, for two sessions in 2005 and 2006. I had also excavated under his guidance and as a supervisor. Anyway, in Sisupalgarh, if time come or situation permits us, we will discuss one day on that also. Regarding the Sisupalgarh, it's an interesting site which is said to have been the capital of Kharaghoda. Anyway, so she had also excavated this site in Odisha, in Sisupalgarh, which is situated near Bhubaneswar. Anyway, so after Kaundinyapura, Smith again went to undertake systematic field survey of Sisupalgarh. Yes, I'm coming to that. Sisupalgarh, an early historic city in Odisha. So, her study revealed evidence in habitation throughout the fortified area. Sisupalgarh, for your kind information, Sisupalgarh is one of the best fortified site in Odisha. Not only in Odisha, it's one of the great fort in Asia also. Its location is just near Bhubaneswar, from Garage Chak. It is 3 kilometers from Garage Chak in Old Town. Anyway, so this fort or Sisupalgarh is a early historic city which is 1.5 kilometer radius. In the east direction, there are 4 gateways, and it is said to be the capital of Kharaghoda or Kalinga Nagari, you can say. Some historian also says it as the Kalinga Nagari of Kharaghoda. Anyway, so it's a great fort having 1.5 kilometer radius, and although nowadays it has been captured by the people, and inside the fort you will find many buildings which actually is not permitted under the laws of Archaeological Survey of India. Anyway, that is a different issue. So it's Sisupalgarh was a early historic site. Sisupalgarh गोटे हमारा प्राचीन ऐतिहासिक स्थान ओडिशा रे एक गुरुत्वपूर्ण दुर्ग समग्र एशिया रे यह एक बड़ दुर्ग भाव रे मध्य परिगणित यार रेडियस रोची 1.5 1.5 किलोमीटर 1.5 किलोमीटर पश्चिम को 1.5 किलोमीटर पूर्व को 1.5 किलोमीटर 1.5 किलोमीटर पूर्व पश्चिम उत्तर दक्षिण की चारिकड़े एटा 1.5 किलोमीटर लेखा रेडियस बहुत बड़ा जगह आमर भुवनेश्वर ग्यारेज छक ठार 3 किलोमीटर बाँ पटू गले फोर्ट टी पड़ो एवं बर्तमान बीबी लाल जे कि 1948 मसीह 47-48 मसीह खोली थे जो 2.5 एकर जमी मात्र से अच्छी आ सब एरिया को प्राय लोक मैंने बिक्री खरीदी करी पीस पीस करी माने इवन से फोर्ट टाक भी पीस पीस कर सारे सो जहा हो सो हो पारे आम सरकार बेसी तापर नजर रहा ना जो कि एत बड़ फोर्ट टाक नष्ट करदे लोक मैंने सो गोटे इट्स ए ग्रेट हिस्टोरिकल साइट अर्ली हिस्टोरिक साइट ऑफ ओडिशा सो एथिरे विभिन्न प्रकार आर्किटेक्चरल सो वी डू फाइंड variations in architectural fragments indicate the distinctive neighborhoods in terms of access to different materials so एटी से समय विभिन्न जिनस आम देखा पाइलु एवं शिशुपालगढ़ गोटे एभलिया जगह तमें जदि तार गोटे फुट तलू को से 2 वर्ष 2टा सेशन मु काम करथिले जो प्रोफेसर मोनिका स्मिथ का अंडर रे प्रोफेसर मोनिका स्मिथ होचंदी कैलिफोर्निया विश्वविद्यालय अमेरिका कैलिफोर्निया विश्वविद्यालय रो एंथ्रोपोलॉजी रो से प्रोफेसर anyway so I had the opportunity to work under him. So anyway, so this excavation revealed as much higher proportion of locally made items as compared to the non-local artifacts. So local artifacts are more found in comparison to non-local artifacts. जो artifacts मिली थिला particularly जो आमे जो जिनस जो excavated materials पाई थिले सेटा local जिनस हमर बेसी थिला rather than the things we got from means through trade and commerce. So anyway कुआ जाए जे एटा एही सभ्यता ए जो शिशुपालगढ़ बा से समय रे जो कलिंग नगर रो संपर्क सुदूर रोम साम्राज्य पर्यंत थिला कारण बिबिलालंक समय रे रोमन कॉइन रोमन गोल्ड कॉइन मध्य एटू मिली थिला इन जदि आम एक्सकावेशन आम जो 2005-6 रे करिथिल तापरे मध्य मोनिका मैडम खुली थिले सेते बेले ए सब जिनस बाहरी नथिला ए पर्टिकुलरली सोना जिनस किछि बाहरी नथिला सोना मुद्रा किंतु सेते बेले विभिन्न प्रकार जिनस मिलिथिला जेपर कि तांकर माटी सब जिनस मिलिथिला पटरीज रे तांकर जो कानफुल पिनथिले जे कोनसी maximum things we got in the form of potteries or potsherds. So anyway, on the numerous excavations of all historic urban centers in South Asia, the most informative are those who were carried out in Bhit near Allahabad, Sirkaf in the Taxila Valley in Pakistan, which was excavated Marshall in 1951, Sunk near Mathura in 1993. So all these sites speaks about the early historic sites and the materials that we got from these sites helps in the reconstruction of history of ancient period, particularly the Mohenjo-daro. If we conclude, then Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were the amongst the earliest cities that came up in the northwest part of the subcontinent between 2600 to 1900 BC. So मोहेंजोदारो एवं हरप्पा होचंती सबुठारु प्राचीन सहर जोटा कि आरंभ होइतिला भारत रे ख्रीष्टपूर्व 2026 रु सॉरी 26 रु ख्रीष्टपूर्व 26 रु ख्रीष्टपूर्व 1900 पर्यंत अनेक छोट बड़ हरप्पा साइट मध्ये तापरे खोला जायछि. So a large number of Harappan sites, both large and small, have been excavated. सबुथिरे गोटे प्रकार डाटा जे आर्कियोलॉजिकल डाटा जो मिलिछि से इंडस वैली रिलेटेड जिनस मिलिछि से हमको ए जो डाटा गुडी का हमको शो करूछि जे तत्कालीन राजनीतिक व्यवस्था पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कथा. It speaks about the political organization, trade and commerce, technologies, crafts and geological provinces, studies, and particularly we also come to, after this type of excavations, we also come to know about the end of the Harappan urban centers, how the urban center of Harappa declined. We also come to know about that. Kimiti Harappa civilization of Patana Hitla se bisare madhya hame जानवाको पाउँछ. So this was all about today's task, and tomorrow we will discuss the other parts of this paper. So thank you. So समस्तको धन्यवाद.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So we'll meet exactly at 6 o'clock tomorrow. So if, friends, dear friends, please go through the materials and get ready, and tomorrow we'll have a discussion same at the same time. Please inform your friends, those who have missed today's class, let them join tomorrow. Okay, please inform your friends those who have already missed the class, today's class, let them come and join tomorrow at same time, 6 to 8 p.m. So don't forget. Please remember. And you have also a WhatsApp group, and this in the WhatsApp group you share this information so that your student, your friends will also get the information easily and will join you, without any problem. And Jyoti also, I have already informed Jyoti, and she will send the information. And all the friends, those who have already joined, but due to some reasons they didn't join, okay, let them join tomorrow, okay? And we will wind up the program. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Good night.
Thank you.